स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे YouTube चैनल में। आज हम आपके लिए फिर से एक नया वीडियो लेके आए हैं। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर से ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलें, ताकि हम फ्यूचर में कोई भी वीडियो बनाएं उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल जाए। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो एक लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम आपके लिए जो टॉपिक लेके आए हैं उसका नाम है हाउसिंग फाइनेंस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाउसिंग फाइनेंस इज़ अ बिजनेस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल intermediations wherein the money raised through various sources such as public deposit, institutional borrowings, refinance from NHB, and their own capital is lent to the borrower for purchasing a house. The concept of housing finance was pioneered by Housing Development Finance Corporation, that it's HDFC, in October 1977. Housing Finance Company is a company which is mainly carries on the business of housing finance or has one of its main object clause in its memorandum of association for carrying on the business of providing finance for the housing purposes. Housing finance methods. Housing finance methods can be of two types: housing finance through commercial banks, housing finance through other institutions. In commercial banks, a major development in the area of housing in recent years has been the entry of the commercial bank by establishing subsidiaries either on their own or in collaboration with the financial institutions. Housing finance through other institution, that is LIC advances to the Apex Cooperative Housing Finance Society on guarantee from the state governments, and those societies in turn make advance to the primary cooperative housing finance societies for constructions. So let us talk about the National Housing Finance. The National Housing Bank, that is NHB, was established on 9th July under the National Housing Bank Act 1987 to function as a principal agency to promote housing finance institution and to provide the financial and other support to such institution. The principal mandate of the bank is to promote housing finance institution to improve the strength and the credit delivery network for housing finance in the country. Role of the National Housing Bank. There are the various roles that is done by the National Housing Bank, that are as follows. First one is promotion and development, second one is regulation and supervision, third one is financing, fourth one is resources of NHB, that is National Housing Bank, fifth one is rural housing, sixth one is project lending, and the last one is development of secondary mortgage market. So let's talk about the guarantee. A guarantee is a legal promise made by a third party guarantor to cover a borrower's debt or other types of liability in case of the borrower defaults. Loan guaranteed by a third party are called guaranteed loans. The guarantee loan can be limited or unlimited. An unlimited guaranteed implies that the guarantor will cover the full amount of liability, while in a limited guarantee, the guarantor will cover only a portion of the liability. Types of guarantee will be personal guarantee, bank guarantee, and financial guarantee. Advantage of guarantee may be a guarantee serves as an additional protection in a loan, making a loan more attractive to potential lenders. The lenders are more willing to provide guaranteed loans even to candidates with the poor credit profile. A guaranteed loan is a viable option for borrowers with a poor or no credit history. In such a case, the guarantor promises may allow a borrower to obtain loans that will otherwise be inaccessible. Next one is leasing. A lease is a contractual procedure calling for the lessee, that is user, to pay the lessor, that is the owner, for use of an asset. Lease usually involves two parties, which include the lessor, that is owner, and the lessee, that is user. In this agreement, the lessor transfers the right to use the lessee in return of the lease rental that is agreed upon. The element of leasings are lessor. Lessor is the person owning the asset, equipment which is being leased. Lessee. Lessee is the person to whom lessor give on the lease the asset. Lessee is the user of equipment being leased. Vendor. Vendor is the person from whom the lessor has acquired the asset for the purpose of giving on lease to lessee. Parties. These are the essentially two parties to a contract of lease financing, namely the owner and the user of the assets. Lease broker. A lease broker is an agent in between the leaser, that is owner, and the lessee. He acts as an intermediary in arranging the lease details. And the last one is lease asset. The lease asset may be plant, machinery, equipment, land, automobiles, factory, buildings, etc. Types of leasing. Lease based on the term of lease. Lease based on the methods of lease. Lease can be based in the parties involved, and lease can be based in the area. Next one is hire purchase. Hire purchase is a type of the legal contract in which a buyer agrees to pay for goods in part or a percentage over a number of months. Hire purchase is used to buy luxurious product which a person cannot afford to pay outright, such as a car. A down payment is generally paid and the balance is paid over the several months as a monthly installments. Characteristic of hire purchase: possessions, ownership upon the full payments, installment buying, social innovations, expand economy, and the last one is additional income. Let's talk about the advantage and disadvantages. Advantages may be conveniences, payment, increase the volume of sales, increase the profit, encourage the savings, helpful for small traders, and earning of interest. The disadvantage may be higher price, artificial demand, heavy risk, problem to recover the installments, and the breakup of families. So now let's talk about the merchant banking. Merchant banking can be defined as a skill oriented professional service provided by the merchant banks to their clients concerning their financial needs for adequate consideration in the form of fee. Merchant banks are specialists in international trade and thus excel in transacting with large enterprises. Elements of merchant banking. First one is merchant bank. A merchant banks provide financial service including underwriting, loan service, fundraising service, and financial advising to high net worth individuals and small size corporations. These banks provide services only to high net worth individuals and multinational companies that have businesses all around the world. Next one is merchant banker. Any person indulge in issue management business by making arrangement with respect to trade and subscription of securities, or by playing the role of manager or consultant, or by providing advisory service, that is known as merchant banker. So let's talk about the function of merchant banking organization. Portfolio management raising funds for clients, promotional activities, provide loan syndications, and leasing services. So that's all what I have tell you about the National Housing Finance. If you feel any difficulty in any of the slides, so you can comment me in the comment box. I will try to resolve your issue. And if you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.